let's go ahead and look at some more videos that from this past few days from Alexander.
Great.
In Germany. Let's see here. Here we go.
Love your asteroid.
Yeah, that's just sort of weird things on the left-hand side there. Don't be, it's normal. Don't worry about that.
No, the ones on the right that look like the edge of faces.
The skull is in this shot.
Mm-hmm.
In the upper left. The Texas cube is cutting into the sun.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Top corner.
Very
yeah.
cool.
Wow. You can really see it. That's good.
Jeez.
Do we have more friends?
Look at that.
It's like it.
Kind of square.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. Wow.
They're doing a little bit of spraying in this shot, too. 1 and 2.
Why?
That's the difference between sea trails and contrails. Which contrails are the original normal ones. These are sea trails. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, hectic. Look at the things.
They're
Look at the
doing
ones here.
sliding.
They're all spread out here. Oh,
That's
look.
the first time I've ever really seen them doing it for a purpose. Like, wow. That's scary.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are
Right there.
trying to cover up the edges of what's going on right there in the background. And remember the secondary
Look at
secondary
that rock
cloud.
there. Sorry.
That's the big 3 again, underneath the bottom of necessity.
Wow.
And oh look, we get to watch them spray or dispense.
Holy God.
The little white thing that looks like a plane but isn't.
Oh, it probably is.
Keep trying to get hold of a picture of it. Mm-mm.
Yeah, we've seen some where we've actually thought that there was space chemis. I don't think that'll flag us by me saying space chemis.
I don't think so.
But learn to look at the intensity of the clouds or the secondary clouds behind the white clouds in front. Don't always be distracted by what is going on right in front of you. Look in the background. And I spent a great deal of time doing that. You know, they're putting these streaks out so they break up your eye.
Right,
You don't
but it doesn't
see the
really
big
do
rounded
that
thing.
great of a job to cover anything up. It kind of makes everything look, if you know what you're looking at, it makes it more visible, I think. I don't know.
That's the spiral asteroid right there. And then there again is the backlit crescent flare. See right there in the upper right? Going in. The lead asteroid is to the right of the sun, and the sun is behind it, and it's doing a backlit crescent flare.
Wow.
Now
That's
here,
a lot.
the yellow area on this is where we expect Matim to be, on the left-hand side of the sun. See right there, that big white illumination right there beside the sun? Right there. That's Matim.
Tim? Wow. Cool.
It's not the sun, that's Matim. It's less bright.
Right.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Look at that. Wow.
Right there it is again and again and again and again. And Sarah is creeping in from the background to cut into the horizon line. Sarah illumination. That is asteroids and ships and stuff are the white illuminations that are going on, tiny ones. he's so good at zooming in and getting small little things that you know. There's so much flying around up there, you know, asteroids, rocks, planets, ships galore. That was a Saturn yellow moon. Remember, that's on the right-hand side of the sun. You can see the dark blue area behind the TV antenna. See, the top half of the sun is being cut off by Saru being overhead. The whole middle left is Saru, followed by Uri now rising up on the farther upper left. Orion. So that means we're facing south.
Yes.
What do we got going here? Now, there have been a lot of sightings of the red asteroid at night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was mentioning that the red asteroid has been sighted at night as well a lot in the last 2 weeks. Hell, the last month.
There's that.
Hell, last 3 months. Yeah, look at this. Wonder what's flying up and around up there, huh?
How close do you think, or far away do you think from the moon's surface that might be? It's
Which
hard
what?
to tell.
That?
Like, what?
Well, if you see a shadow on the moon, then you know it's close. But if you don't see a shadowing, and depending where the light source is coming from,
But I
it's
can't.
obviously within orbit or near moon surface.
Can you see shadow?
It
I can't
looks
pick
like
it
a
up, Sam.
crumbling object. It doesn't look like a craft per se.
It looks like it's turning, like it's twisting, like it's dropping or something.
And I mean, you know, it depends.
I was thinking it looked like that Black Knight.
Wow, I think
Yeah, well, the Black Knight.
Like,
Oh, let's see, Earth Ring. Where's the Black Knight currently?
that thing is crazy.
It's
Black Knight
fascinating.
satellite is approximately in the same area where the space tube has been sighted, lower right of the sun. Been there for years in that generic orbit. I have not seen it recently, but it has been here for thousands and thousands of years.
So that's in the orbit of the sun, near the sun.
Out view.
That's Earth view, okay.
This part's way off of Earth, but it's always between us and the sun on the lower right-hand side.
Thank you, Alexander.
Thank you, Alexander.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Alexander. And he sent me a picture. I'm getting ready to show you all. He's wanting to know, Alexander is asking if this could possibly be Casper. So give me a second and we're going to take a look at it. And I am not sure
neglected
either.
Casper.
Like at this time, Sam, is Casper on the right side
Yep.
or the left side of the
On the right.
Oh, see, Alexander, you might be right. Because he sent me something. It's to the right of the sun. And it looks like the skull, but I know it's not the skull.
I'm chuckling over the fact that I so enjoy knowing. I
fun.
like knowing all of this stuff. And you know, I just look inside my head and it's like it's right there.
It's fun. That's right.
14
That is
years
right. I know.
of Sam's Insanity. Hi, and welcome to another edition of Sam's Insanity. You're about to embark on the crazy train adventure of space and atmospheric possibilities. Welcome to another show.
Chris, get a clip of that one.
Yeah, that would be somewhere where,
Oh,
yeah, that would be where Casper should be, correct, yes.
huh.
It is smaller and it has this the little spooky ghost thing around it. That's almost Skull Asteroid, but not.
Right.
Right. That's
Although
what I
it does
said.
look like a face. It's like Mercury with wings. No, yeah, that is approximately where Casper would be. You're right. Because the lead asteroid is behind this, the little blip with the white circular thing. The lead asteroid is
Just now saw
cutting
that.
into the sun on the right hand side of the sun. And that's why there's a backlit crescent illumination. And if you draw a circle between the sun and that illumination, you can see the very large dark side showing lead asteroid. But we know that Casper is in front of the lead asteroid. In this out view, it might be slightly in front of it. But yeah, that could quite easily be Casper.
So which one's Casper?
The bunny-eared face.
See here, that one.
Golly, yeah, I said that was it kind of jumped out at me, and I thought, I haven't seen that little guy before.
Yeah, it's around that. Yeah, I kept seeing it. Remember, I said there's other objects right in front of and around. There's like 3 or 4 or 5 smaller asteroids around the lead asteroid, and Casper is one of those.
Okay.
Yeah, we have one good picture of Casper that's illuminated. That's really good.
Right, yeah. And that's where it got its name from, because it looks just like a rainbow illuminated little ghost.
It does. That was perfect.
Yeah, it's got a wee ghosty face.
Good job.
Well, and it's got a rounded top, and then it comes down, and it's like it's wearing a white sheet on the bottom. There's a little crop on either, like hair curls or whatever, or bottom of a ghost sheet at its feet. And it's rainbow, and it's illuminated. You can see the perfect asteroid circle inside all of the beauty of the rainbow. It's a great shot. I love that. I have it somewhere. It's in my asteroid file. But anyway, and we've seen it over the years, and it's just one of many objects we have cataloged over the years. Which is, for the last 2 days, I've been chuckling, going, I love knowing this